Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Xbox or Microsoft account because redemption ties to your profile. Once signed in, navigate to Store Redeem or press the View button and choose Redeem. Enter the 25-character code exactly. This links the Game Pass to you. You do this now to avoid later confusion about which account owns the subscription, and make sure your payment method is ready in case the system asks to confirm or upgrade your plan. Once done redeeming, you must pick the correct Game Pass tier because each unlocks different libraries and benefits. If you choose Ultimate, it may convert existing subscriptions. Make sure you understand any prorated time changes. After selection, confirm activation and wait for the success message. Then immediately check your services and subscriptions to verify start and end dates. You do this to ensure billing aligns and to confirm cloud or EA Play access is included when expected. To finish, open the Game Pass app or the library, pick a game, and press install so you can play. If a game won't download or the subscription status still shows inactive, sign out and sign back in, then restart your console or PC. This refreshes licenses. If problems persist, find your transaction ID in order history and contact Microsoft support. Having that ID speeds resolution. This final check ensures you get full access and solves common sync or licensing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.